Hey y'all, it's your boy Playful PJ one more time. I hope you guys like that short little edit that I put together for Sam Kolder's first editing contest. He gave us a bunch of raw clips and just wanted us to put together a montage to tell a story with his own clips. So before this contest, I actually didn't really dive in too deep into sound design. I would always put kind of like the bare minimum, but what I took away from this contest is how important it truly is to put some really good sound design. I was watching other contest entries and wow, it just made the videos come more to life. So I did put in a little bit more work on this one, and I hope to put even further work on the next one. But without further ado, this is the exact same video, but just this with the sound design and the music turned off. Yeah, it's crazy, right? From the whooshes to the birds in the background, the slow motion. Yeah, everything really does help tell the story. So I hope that you guys start learning a little bit more into sound design. I'll put a couple links down in the description of some videos that I watched that really helped me understand and get the creative juices flowing on how exactly to put together a good sound design. So yeah, just a pretty short one for me today. I just wanted to put sound design on your radar and help point you in the right direction with some of the videos that I've linked below. But yeah, subscribe if you want to see more. Hit that like button if you want to support your boy. And I guess I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.